Welcome to this lesson on gravitational fields. Today, we'll explore one of the most fundamental concepts in physics, how mass creates an invisible influence in the space around it. A gravitational field describes the region of space surrounding massive objects, and understanding this concept is essential for grasping how gravity works throughout the universe. A gravitational field is a region of space where any mass will experience a force due to the presence of another mass. Think of it this way: every object that has mass, whether it's a planet, a star, or even a small rock, creates its own gravitational field around it. This field extends through space, and any other mass that enters this region will feel an attractive force pulling it toward the source. To visualize gravitational fields, physicists use field lines. These lines are imaginary representations that show us the direction of the gravitational force at any point in space. The key thing to remember is that gravitational field lines always point towards the mass creating the field. So if you place any object near Earth, the gravitational force on that object will be directed toward Earth's center. The closer the field lines are to each other, the stronger the gravitational field at that location. Now let's talk about gravitational field strength, which we represent with the symbol G. Field strength tells us how strong the gravitational force is at a particular location. It's defined mathematically as G equals F divided by m, where F is the gravitational force and m is the mass of the object experiencing that force. In simpler terms, gravitational field strength is the force per unit mass. This means it tells us how much force would act on each kilogram of mass at that point in the field. There's another way to calculate gravitational field strength using the formula G equals G times m divided by r squared. Let's break this down. G is the universal gravitational constant, which has a value of 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 Newton-meter squared per kilogram squared. M represents the mass of the object creating the gravitational field. And r is the distance from the center of that mass to the point where we're measuring the field strength. This formula shows us that the field depends on both the mass of the object and how far away we are from it. Gravitational fields have some important properties worth noting. First, field strength decreases as you move farther from the source. This follows what's called the inverse square law, meaning if you double your distance, the field strength becomes 1/4 as strong. Second, gravitational fields are always attractive, never repulsive. Unlike electric or magnetic forces, gravity only pulls objects together. And third, more massive objects create stronger gravitational fields. This is why the sun's gravitational influence is so much greater than Earth's. Here's where things get really interesting. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, mass doesn't just create a force field, it actually curves the fabric of spacetime itself. Imagine spacetime as a flexible sheet. When you place a massive object on it, the sheet bends and curves around that object. Other objects then move along these curves in spacetime, and what we perceive as the force of gravity is actually objects following the curved paths created by this warping of space. This is a profound insight. Gravity isn't just a force, it's the geometry of spacetime itself. Let's look at some real-world examples of gravitational fields. Earth's gravitational field keeps us firmly grounded on the surface, with a field strength of approximately 9.8 meters per second squared, or 9.8 newtons per kilogram. The sun's enormous gravitational field extends far into space, holding all the planets in their orbits around it. And at the extreme end, black holes create such intense spacetime curvature that even light cannot escape from their gravitational fields. Understanding gravitational fields helps us explain everything from why apples fall from trees to how galaxies are held together across vast distances of space.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.